Hello, Executive Chef John Benedict with Mom's Meals. Today I'm going to show you how to make a quick, very healthy green mango banana smoothie. This is something that we've shared at some conferences before, to have somebody have a healthy alternative for breakfast, something we make at home here, something you can put together really quickly when you're on the go, just to have a healthy option. So I'm going to show you how we put it together. So I'll start with a ripe banana, one banana, and I'll just throw that in my NutriBullet. You can use a NutriBullet, you can use a blender, stick blender, whatever you like. Big pinch handful of spinach, fresh spinach. We're just going to pack that in there. Mango, frozen mango chunks. Just scoop out a little bit of that. Put it right in there. Do a spoonful of Greek yogurt right on top. And then some almond milk. You can use regular milk, but I choose to use some almond milk. I think it's got a good flavor to it. Makes it nice and creamy at the same time. And I'll fill that up about halfway or so. Put my lid on my NutriBullet. And we'll blend it. Comes together pretty quickly. And that's a mango, banana, and a spinach smoothie. Now, protein. You want to add some protein to it? I suggest, my secret is I add the protein in the end. It doesn't over whip, it doesn't make it really thick. So I'll just get a non-flavored protein. That way I can flavor it myself, whether I want a chocolate, peanut butter, or in this case, a fresh, healthy green smoothie with the banana and the mango. I'll put about a scoop in there. I'll put my lid back on. Put it back in here, and I'm just going to pulse it a couple times just to get it to mix together. I don't want to over mix that at all. I'm going to take it. You can drink it right in this. I'm going to actually put it in a cup. Get out my straw that I actually got from the last conference. Put that in there, my reusable straw. Fresh, great, healthy smoothie you can make at home. Take it on the go with you, like I said. Working from home myself right now. I'll probably take this into the office with me. So that's my commute for the day. Hope you're having a great day. Hope you enjoyed this. We'll post the recipe for you as well. Take care.